let's go for the working rule for evaluating dx upon square root for a quadratic expression. Okay. So now we are having here step 1. As usual, what we have to do? We have to take a common. Okay. Make x square unity by taking 1 upon common. Step number 2. Step 2. Question becomes dx upon square root of x square plus b upon ax plus c upon a. Now, step 3. By the method completing the square, making denominator perfect square. By the method of completing the square or making denominator perfect square, write the integral in the form integration of dx upon x plus minus alpha whole square plus minus beta whole square. Step number 4. By using standard integrals, integration of dx upon under the root a square plus x square, integration of dx upon square root for x square minus a square, and integration of dx upon a square minus x square. Okay. So for this part we are going for these 4 steps.